Here we have an aftermarket lip that we're going to be installing on the Chrysler 300 daily hemi. So if you've ever been wondering how they get installed, we mask off the edge there. This lip was wrapped. um I didn't paint it. I wish I'd painted it. I should have painted it because the painter gave me a quote which was like really close to the same price as wrapping it. So here we're mocking it up. We have two vice grips on each edge on the inside of the wheel well, just holding it, and we're just lining it up where we're gonna do it. Don't mask off the other part on the bumper there. So after we masked it off, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting glue in there on the top part, because I don't trust the two-sided tape option. I don't think it's strong enough or better. Underneath it, it had some hardwares, 4 brackets, so we just screw those right underneath to the existing factory bumper. After that's done, now you let the masking tape sit on it for a while so that the glue and everything can be set for a few hours. This is later on that night now where I took the masking tape off, and yeah, that's the finished product, guys. Let me know what you think. Remember, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks, guys.